So in this video, I will show you another concept, which is to share the functions instead of data files. So I can copy the function in this view and I use the function in all views. So this is even more powerful than the other concept, which is to share the data file only. Okay, so instead of using this one, I also want to copy this into a thing I call it share kernel. You can call it core or kernel. In programming, it's the same thing, which is the set of functions of kernel function in order to for your system to function to function or to run. So I will name share function in this case, or share kernel in this case, and then I also replace this one to the share kernel in here. Share kernel, and then share kernel. Okay, so now it doesn't work because the kernel is not there yet. Okay, so now instead of using this, so I have here a lot of functions here. So you have the make market data, make fiscal data, and then this one, and then maybe in here I would do make all data tables function as well, and then I will copy this one into here. Okay, so after this, if I return the DB, it will give me the database of 3 tables at the same time. And then during the making process, I will also show the table. And then this one, instead of using the function d put in here, I can use uh, the function dump to dump all the list of functions, so a list of function here into the share kernel, which is this one. Okay, so you can see again one more time, the share kernel will fp here, which is the this one. Let me remove the. Okay, so I will dump the LDF here. Now I don't I don't define the LDF what it is, but I want to select all the function I have in this view. So this is what I'm going to do. The first thing I will do ls, which is to list all the variables and function, and the second one I will select only the functions. Okay, so I will use the supply function here with the LDF, and then the my selection is whenever I see xk is a function, then I will return it's true, and then the rest I will return 4. And then as a result, if I dump mm, the list of the selection here, I will have mm, the list of function. Now, if I want to, sorry, I need to make it explicit here so that later I can display the function as well. So now if I want to display the function, I display the list of function I saved or I exported in the list. I can just copy over the list of LDF here. I will call name. and then I will show you the list of function. Okay, so here you go. So if you have this one, you have the make all tables, make all fiscal data, make the market data and everything. So this one will be inside the share kernel here already, share kernel, which is this file. Okay. Uh, Now, if I want to use a function in here, I only need to do this. The first thing is to take the source of the file. So in this case, I will do source of the kernel file, and then uh, I will show the function. So in this case, if after I take the source, I will show the function in here, ls. So ls will list the name of the function inside this view. So you can see a lot of things going on here because many of them, they are not function, but they are Excel Power BI, sorry, Power BI function. So I need to use the same trick again. I only select the function I want to display, and then I display the function in here, LDF. Okay, so the whole thing here is just to display the function. So now you can see whatever I do in here, I will have in here as well. So this function itself is actually the function to display also. So I just write this function in here. So uh, so I will write this show for functions, and then I think sometimes something wrong with my this one. I need to specify the environment to be the global one, because I put everything inside the function already. So uh, I need to specify the function in here. Okay, so this one it just to give you the name, and then you can call the name. Okay, let me see what. Okay, show function. Okay, I need to in here, and then I show all the function I have in here. Okay, so that's how it go. I can copy this one over here, and then because it's just another function, so you can copy it in here, and you write everything inside this view, and then now you use in this view. Okay, so basically in here you can show function, and then it will show. Okay, I do the same thing with the, actually I don't need the fp here anymore, so I put the app the function in the variable in here, and then this one also give me the functions, the list of functions. So after this, you can see that everything inside here in terms of functions, uh, it will be written into this FP, which is the share kernel in this case, and then this one will read the same thing. Okay, so let me show you the second thing in this, which is to make the fiscal data in here. So I will do T1, which is the make fiscal data, and then I just show the data. So grid table head of T1. So it will show me the data on top of here. So you can see the fiscal data in this view on top of the name. And then the second thing, I will do the same thing, but I will make market data, and then I run this one, and then you can see the market data is on top here. Okay, so now hopefully after this video, you know how to write the function in the share pool or the share kernel, and then you can reuse the function in all the other views.